Congratulations! You've won a Booking.com Traveller Review Award. Now what? Well, to access your award, head over to the Traveller Review Awards page on the Partner Hub, enter your property ID into the search bar at the top of the page and hit Download. The award kit will be added automatically to the Downloads folder on your computer. It will be in a zip folder which you just right-click and select Extract Here. Or if you're on Mac, just double-click. Inside, you'll find a selection of assets to help you celebrate your win, including a PDF of your personalized award for you to print out and put on display. You'll also find templates for you to add to your Instagram stories, a digital award for you to post on social media, and a digital frame for you to add your own photo to. There's also a digital gallery award for you to add to your property page. Just head over to the extranet, go to the property drop-down menu, click Photos, and drag your award into the gallery. This way, you'll be able to proudly display your achievement to guests when they view your property page. You can also download the digital award and frame on your mobile. To use the frame, save it to your camera roll, head over to Instagram and hit the plus button. Making sure you're on the Story tab, open your camera roll in the bottom left corner and choose the photo you'd like to use. Next, open the sticker menu and select Add Photo. This time, you can insert the frame. Finally, position it however you like on your picture, press the 3 dots and save. Now, you can post it. You can even display the award on your website. Make sure to link to the Traveller Review Awards page so your guests can find out what the awards mean and why it makes your property special. We can't wait to see how you've shared your award. Make sure to tag us and use the Traveller Review Awards hashtag so we can celebrate with you.